Hi friends, in this video I will share how you can draw Donald Duck. So let's begin and let me tell you the steps that we will follow so that the drawing will be much more better than me. So I have divided this drawing in few steps, so let's get started. Step number 1 would be the eye part. So I am starting from the eye part. An oval eyeball and a circular one. You can fill the eyeball or you can fill the empty spaces. It's up to you. This is basically the mouth part of the duck. That's it. This is the first portion. Okay, the remaining part. It's complete. For making a realistic view, this is the tongue of the duck. You can fill with the red color, that will give you a very good view. Okay, it was completed. Now let's move towards the remaining part, the body part, cap section, hands and the leg portion. So this is basically the head part of the duck. Okay. The eyebrow portion. I am drawing the cap, the base of the cap. Okay. This is the red cute clip. Now the lower body of the duck. Working for the hand section. the leg portion, the tail part. So it's almost completed. You can fill the eyeballs or you can fill the empty place. You can leave the eyeballs as white and fill the empty space of the eye. It's up to you. So that was the video where I have told you how you can draw the Donald Duck. I'm sure you will try this video and let me know your experience in the comment section. I'm waiting for your response and I'll meet you in the next video with some new drawing. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.